Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect make.com to Vapi. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to log into your make.com account. And on the other tab, I also have my Vapi account as well. So after that, we're just going to create a scenario here. So tap on the create scenario option at the top. That's right. And then here, just have to search for Vapi. Okay, so we have this one. So just tap on it. Okay, and then for the trigger, I'm going to select the create call option. Okay, and then after that, I just have to create a connection. Okay, and then here for the API key. So to connect using API key, we have to log into our Vapi account and then go to the Vapi API keys in the sidebar. So we just have to copy. So we just have to copy the private API key, not the public one. So you just have to go to our Vapi API keys. All right, so let me just go back here. Okay, so we have that right here, and then copy this one. All right, so go back here, and then you just have to paste it right here, and then click on save after that. So once you've done that, you'll be able to see this option now right here. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And then I just have to add here now the assistant ID, the name, the phone number since we selected the call, and then the customer. So the number of the customers, the customer numbers must follow the E164 format beginning with a plus sign followed by the country code and the complete phone number. It's for example this one. And then here for the assistant override, so we have that right here, and for the variable values and the voicemail message. Okay, so this is the message that the assistant will say if the call is forwarded to voicemail. If unspecified, it will hang up. So you have to add the voicemail message right here. After that, you just have to click on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.